Oh my god, I'm gonna make you...
Shane, I said this is weighty and we didn't get a good me.
I'm feeling better about myself.
Okay.
Alright, let's bring it over here. Bring me my button!
It's really changed you, Shane.
Very carefully lay it down. Careful! Ooh, that's heavy. Don't touch it. Peasants aren't allowed! Only me, Superwoman.
It shocks me. You have 100,000, scumbag.
Alright, get me unboxing it. Go
Give me my tiara. Wait, grab me my book. Both of them. Let me read an excerpt of my book.
God.
Wow, do you have a vagina? And I said, maybe. Whew. New York Times bestseller. Pick it up at Target.
Hurry!
Real fun working with you, Shane.
Oh, did my big head break it?
It has a lot of genius thoughts.
Okay.
Perfect.
Ew.
Grab me a new diet root beer.
This is still
I want a fresh one, cold from the fridge. While you're out there, it wouldn't hurt to change your attitude. Come back with a smile. I'm sorry. Did you just put my soda on top of my play button?
I'm sorry, it won't happen
It's
again.
gonna leave a ring. I can't drink that.
I am not getting another one.
It's not open.
Oh.
Tap it, tap it. I want the fizz to go away. That's enough. Birdie.
Ryland!
How dare you! Team Super would never! You're lucky I'm trash! Hold on. Which irrelevant piece of shit should I wipe up my root beer with? A dad and feel? A bitch?
Yes.
Or a memory heart? You deserve a drink of my root beer I spilled.
Does-
What a funny book. Thank you, Mames. I was gonna make a joke, but I'm pretty sure they have more subscribers. Good job, boys.
Wait, do you think they would send them 2 play buttons or just one that they'd have to split in half?
I want them to split me in half. Okay, here we go.
This voice says.
What, do you think they put like a light in there or something?
What about a smoke machine?
I mean...
Bring me my smoke machine.
I'm not doing it.
Oh god.
I'm sorry. Did you not hear me when I asked for my smoke machine?
Okay, yes, sir.
What else?
I missed the old you from like 16 minutes ago. You threw up on your play button.
What's this?
That's my book for note keeping.
Oh, it's your diary. Dear diary, why can't I be as famous and rich and funny as Shane? Oh, God. Why am I gay? Why can't I be as high as Shane? Here's to 9,990,000 more subscribers. See you soon. Knocks on wood. That was cute. Did you get my smoke machine?
It's loading.
Oh, good. While the smoke machine is loading, why don't we do a quick mansion tour?
I don't think you cleaned for this.
Those are my Mario Karts.
And how many of them work?
Neither of them work, but it's fine. I don't drive anyways, I Uber. Welcome to my office.
Are you going to show the messy closet or...
This is, well, I like to call it a museum of my fame. Now, right here you'll see some wigs that I've worn in some of my hilarious skits. Ooh, and a little purse back when I used to play women. A nice jean jacket I don't fit in anymore. Sinead retired.
Is that the Scream conspiracy pillow?
It is,
God.
I had an artist make this for me. That's me holding my play button. Oh, weird. It's my diary. Dear diary, I don't have time for you. What else? This is a book that my significant other bought.
Why'd you say book like that?
Book?
God.
Read this if you want to be Instagram famous. Oh, too late. Okay. Smoke me.
Ooh, remote control?
Oh, let me fan you, sir.
Yes.
Here we go. Children at home wishing that you were a YouTube star. Get ready. Ooh.
Wait, do it slowly, so we can put like cool like build-up music in the edit.
Okay.
Ew, it's wrinkled.
What is this? Dear Shane.
This is all gonna be made up.
Wow. You are the best YouTuber on YouTube.com. PewDiePie, stop quaking.
Can we see that, Shane? Can we just see that first sentence? Or-
I'm still reading. That was nice. Here we go. It's dirty.
Why is it dirty?
Well, it was in your closet under a dog bone.
Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, I need help. Never mind, don't touch it. Okay, ooh. What do you think this is made of?
Their strategy was like, let's make it heavy so they think it's expensive.
Me. Uh-oh, there's something on the back.
Ew, I just saw my reflection.
It says, Shane Dawson, congratulations for surpassing 10 million subscribers. I would have picked a different font, but I'll take an Arial. Metallica would have been nice. And there it is, 10 years of hard work.
Can I ask you one question? Was it worth it?
No. This is cute. Fun. I need to take this off. I'm dying.
Yeah. Has the queen left the building, or?
The queen is gone.
Okay.
Piggy's back. No, this is really cool. Listen, keeping it real, I never thought I would get anything like this, mainly because,
Add in inspirational speech music. It'll help.
I never thought this would happen for me. Mainly because, as a poor, sad, fat kid coming from nothing, I always thought one day I'd be a serial killer and end up in jail. So to end up on YouTube, which is almost like a prison, and be killing it in views, I guess I did get what I wanted. Thanks, YouTube.
no, this is really cute. This is fun.